I don't know, do you agree that hair is like, it grows, doesn't it? And their images...
It does grow.
Yeah, that is a waste. Hi, I'm Jack. This is Asher, 22-year-old Haven master from Lymington. And this is KMS Beyond Hair. So today we're creating a really cool undone textured look on Asher, utilising the razor tool to create something easy to style and super modern. You've actually done a lot of modelling for me, haven't you?
I haven't, unfortunately, yeah.
What are you talking about? We've had a great time, have we not?
Yeah, it's been great for some people. I'm joking. No, it's been brilliant. I've really enjoyed doing it with you.
And we've like won some international awards with pictures of you. That's weird, isn't it? I always tell people about how we met, and it is quite a funny story. I mean, we just went and got a coffee, and I see you with this long shoulder length, like curly, little bit frizzy hair, and I just thought, wow, like that guy is cool. And I literally dropped my coffee down, dashed out the door, grabbed hold of you, and like, mate, have you done any modelling? And I think your face, like, you look terrified.
From what I can remember, you said, "Can I cut your hair?" And I was like, what? Who is this guy? Why do you want to cut my hair? I thought you were insulting me, to be honest.
Really? Oh, yeah.
I was like, is my hair that bad? I know I haven't brushed it this morning.
Yeah. You came in with cool shoulder length hair. I gave you a mullet, this short on top, shoulder length, and then we coloured it like orange pieces in it as well, didn't we?
Yeah.
It sounds mental. Honest to God, that's still one of my favourite images we've ever created.
I think the town reacted a bit differently, so I'll probably put it down. Not as the worst haircut I've ever had, but the most shocking haircut to have. I remember walking out of the salon and seeing people I know straight away just like, what have you done to your hair?
Really?
I was like, it's cool. They're like, yeah, but oh God, it's just a bit shocking.
So, we've also done some other pretty cool shoots, haven't we?
We have. That's 6 haircuts in one day though. That was probably the most fun.
And fair play to you, mate. You actually let us cut your hair from like shoulder length to a flat top, this short on top. And all those colours, and like, it's really rare that you'd find someone that'd let you do that. So, this year, what's the plan? Gigs, festivals?
Oh, I've had quite a few gigs already actually, dude. I saw Pete Doherty,
Nice, mate.
Ended up meeting him, put my hand out, and first thing he noticed was the Libertine tattoo, and he was like, "You got the tattoo, very nice." I was like, "Oh," he saw it.
You're like, oh yeah, nice to meet you, Pete.
You're right, mate. How's it going, Pete?
Oh, you noticed?
Yeah. I was doing that, to be fair.
What do you think of like social media and you know, the current age? And I mean, have you heard of the Stratosphere? Is that what it's called?
The Stratosphere?
Yeah. Like you're young, you're supposed to know about it.
What are you talking about?
Essentially, people are almost like living in a different world, yeah, like almost like
Metaverse.
Oh, that's what it's called.
Stratosphere. What?
It's hot here, isn't it? Now I'm just going to wet your hair down, buddy.
Nice.
Because we're going to use a curl cream to style your hair today, which is epic because you've got a nice wave in your hair. So this curl cream's just going to enhance that. And I'd suggest at home, you know, you could literally get out the shower, put some of that in, and just let it dry naturally, and it will look epic. So I'm just going to pop some dry wax on now, mate. We don't want to destroy what we've done, but just give it a little bit of support and like tweak little bits. Really undone rock and roll sort of style, mate. This is, I love it. Look, gander at your restyle.
Oh wow! Look at that. That's wicked.
It's cool, isn't it? I think it really goes with your style, but you could wear this up as well. Wear it a bit spiky. Thank you so much, buddy. Nice to see you as always.
Yeah, brilliant.
Thanks for watching, guys. To see more, go to the KMS Pro YouTube channel. You won't want to miss it.